Today we are going to check out the iLife Shinebot W450. iLife is very nice and sent me out a review unit, so thank you very much iLife. I'm looking very forward to testing this guy out. I think it's going to do a very good job. I had the model before, so let's see if this one's a little bit better now that it has the camera. So it's going to have more accurate positioning, and it can actually make a map now on the app. So I'm very excited that they added that. There's a few other tweaks and features that this guy has. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Once again, very cool box, nice and clean, lots of information. And once again, I really like the box and the presentation that they have here. Alright, let's see what you get. Alright, of course, you get the instruction manual. Get that with everything. So this is the docking plate. This is also what charges it, and then when it's done, you set this on here to keep whatever area you're setting it on to keep it dry. But like I said, this will charge it as well. The only downside to this that I see is the robot itself cannot drive back to this area and charge itself all by itself. You have to manually pick it up and set it on there. It would have been really nice if they could have made some sort of ramp for it to drive on like most other robot vacuums. That would have helped out a ton. Alright. Here is the main brush. So this is different this time around. The original W400 just had basically like a soft cloth brush. This one feels like it has some foam. Then it also has a much thicker brush. The orange part is much thicker and harder, so it's going to do a much better job scrubbing the actual stains up. I think this is going to do a really good job. So there's that. You got a remote control as well. Very cool. Batteries, that's always great to get. I am running out of room to put all these robots. Not a bad problem to have. Here is hard floor cleanser, so that's pretty cool. They give you some detergent to mix with the water and get you going. Here is the power plug. So you plug this part into the wall. Once again, you just set your robot down in there and it's going to charge for you fully and keep your floor dry. Forgot this almost. There's a couple of scrub brushes to get inside of the unit and really get that nice and clean. And of course, the main robot. And that is all that is in the box. Alright, let's go and check out the robot itself. Very similar to the W400, as in shape and size. And of course, this time you get the camera, which is going to be much, much better for navigation. Seal that up. This is pretty simple to use. This completely detaches. This has a tank for your clean water and detergent, and then as it cleans, it'll suck up all the dirty water and put it in a separate tank, making it very easy to empty and keep your hands free. You don't have to really mess with this at all. So there's a squeegee down here. That is the final stage of the cleaning process. So any water that it puts down and then the roller scrubs, it'll follow right behind with the squeegee, and then it'll suck up all the water, keeping your floor essentially dry before the job's even done, which is really nice because a lot of robot mops, they'll go around and saturate your floor, and your floor just stays saturated. So the fact that this has a squeegee is very smart, and that's definitely going to clean a lot better. Here is another roller. I really appreciate that they give you two of them. Same exact roller. In the bottom, you can see there's the contact with here, therefore charging it. And I believe, unfortunately I still don't have my W400, but I'm pretty sure they made these tires wider. That was an issue I had with the previous model. Mine, for whatever reason, slipped a lot on the floor after it was wet, and it just couldn't do a very good job cleaning. I believe this is a wider tire, and it feels a lot more sticky than the previous version, so I have a feeling this is going to do a very good job. Pretty excited to try this guy out. Very simple to put back on. So go ahead and fill this up with liquid and detergent. And then you just slide it under like this. And it pops right back in place and you're ready to go. So very simple. I'm really hoping this is going to do a good job. I think the biggest competitor to this is going to be the narwhal, which I'm currently testing. I'm going to do basically this and the narwhal, same exact test, and we'll see which one is the best at the end. So, got a lot of stuff coming to this channel. If you're new, please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe. Helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions on this, just feel free to ask, and I'll try to answer that for you. Or if you want to see any specific test, or any crazy test or anything like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to set that up as well. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching again. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.